Hello everyone, and welcome back to my crafting world. My name is Anna. So let me ask you guys, how many of you received this little box of chocolates from the Dollar Tree with 5 little lonely chocolates in there that took no time to get rid of? So I got a box. It wasn't this one. I got a big old box of Dove chocolates, but let me show you. Here's my box of chocolate. It's a 10 box, but we're not going to talk about this one because yeah. So the this one I bought because I like the picture on the front of the box. I have dismantled that box because last night I feel like I wanted to craft, but my husband was getting ready to go to bed, and of course most of you guys know that my craft area is in my bedroom. So I said, well, what do I have? Well, I had this box of chocolate with 1 chocolate left, and I thought, well, let me have that chocolate while I sit here and ponder. And then I thought of what to do. So I took the box and I peeled off the front and the back of this chocolate filled heart. It was really easy. All I did was take my spatula and let me grab it. I just took my spatula and I, put it under the plastic and then just slid it around, and it came off really, really easy. So, okay, so now let me show you what I did with it. I had to use everything that was, I didn't have to dig around for because I didn't want to make any noise. So this is what I have made with my box. So I bought the chocolate, the heart box, the candy heart box. Okay, anyway, I bought it because of the truck. Guys, I love that truck. And then I thought, what do I do with it? I wanted to do something with it. I knew it when I bought the box, but I didn't know what. So last night I took the box and I made a little album with it. There's the spine. This is the back, and for the heart, for this mat, I used the Baby Craft nesting dies that I had bought. So I used the largest one, and I cut them. Remember I said he was getting ready to go to bed? So I cut these mats out as quickly as I could, so that way I didn't make that noise when he actually made it to bed. And I used the Dress My Craft for You Always paper pad. You guys know how much I love this one, and I still have a lot left. So I thought, well, let me just use that, and that is what I used for the mats. I used plain paper card, or 110 cardstock for the pages. So this was wrapping from a swap that I got. So I just cut it to thin strips, a couple of thin strips, and made the closure for that. So on the front, this was part of a sticker package that I got in my last swap. And this trim is a Waverly trim that I had gotten at the 99-cent store. And like I said, everything was readily available because I haven't put, my Valentine's away. And then some hearts, some puffy hearts. And then these are the puffy heart blings. Again, everything is from my stash except, well, the stickers, because it was part of a swap. So that's how I didn't want to cover the truck too much because I like that truck. So anyway, I put a couple of, what do you call those whole things? One on the front, one on the back. And then it opens up this way. And this is part of that sticker pack that I was sent. And I just covered a tag with this paper. And there's the mat for this one. And then this page, I left it pretty simple, so that way, a good size picture can fit on there. And this is a leftover flower rose that I had in on my table actually. And flip the page over, and this is a rosette that I got in Zed Swap. And then again, I left this one pretty simple so that a picture can go on here. And put a nice one right here too. And then we flip it over, and then this one again, room for a good size picture. And then this one is that little bag that had the tickets in it. So I took the little bag and glued it on there, and then I made this little, I just covered this little tag with the love sticker that was in that pack. It's plain from the back. So that goes in there like that. And then flip it over, put another ticket, a little cluster of flowers, some more tickets, flower or a rose, and I put the little bling throughout the book. But yeah, so this is another sticker, more tickets. This is from the little washi sample that she had sent me, and that's all I have left from the washi sample. Some more bling. And then on the last page, I had cut an extra heart. I forgot I was not going to cover the front, and I had cut an extra heart, so I glued it on there, put some more, you know, tickets on there, put a little mat, a picture mat. They can put one here, and they can put one here and here. So that's what I did last night. And then one of the resin flower from Dollar Tree, from Dollar General. And that is what I made last night. I was bored. I wanted to do something, but my husband was about to go to bed. Well, this probably took me just a couple of hours, just because I had to be quiet. So I didn't go as fast as I could have gone. Yeah, so if you got a little box of chocolates, look what you can do with your little box. And for this, guys, all I did was, you know, after I took it off, the plastic off, all I did was trace around the existing heart. Let me show you. Trace around the, you know, the heart, and that's how I got these pages right here. Okay, and on the back, all I did was, you know, glued it down to the cardstock, you know, and then trimmed around it, glued around to the back, trimmed around it. And you can kind of tell, but I colored in the white, I colored in with the red marker, so it's not as noticeable, but you can, you know, if you look closely enough, you can tell. And on this one, I did the same, and I colored around it, so, you know, there's that color. This, and it's all 110-pound cardstock. And there you go, guys. I just wanted to show you really quickly what you can do with your little box of chocolates that you may have received from one of your, either your swap partners, one of your children, your husband, your boyfriend, anyway, you could have gotten this a little box of chocolates. And if you don't like the picture on the front, just cover it up and make yourself a little album. Okay, guys, well, thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to everyone later. Y'all have a great day.